If you're looking for an affordable all-in-one marketing and CRM platform, Brevo might be just one of the best options out there. Previously known as Sendinblue, Brevo has evolved into a full-scale relationship marketing tool offering email marketing, SMS campaigns, automation, live chat, and even a built-in sales CRM, all at a fraction of the price of what other competitors offer. But the question is this the right choice for you and your business? In this review, I'll break down Brevo's features, pricing, pros and cons, and real-world performance to help you make this decision. We'll look at how Brevo compares to other tools, whether it delivers on its promises, and if it's the best value CRM and marketing platform. But without further ado, let's get into it. Brevo's email marketing and automation tools are at the core of its platform, making it a strong competitor to other competitors like MailChimp and Klaviyo. The drag-and-drop email editor is user-friendly, with over 40 customizable templates that help you create professional emails with no coding. Unlike some platforms that charge based on contact count, Brevo allows unlimited contacts across all of their pricing plans, making it a budget-friendly option for businesses with huge email lists. One of the standout features is Brevo's automation. With Brevo's workflow builder, you can create if-then automation sequences triggered by user behavior, like website visits, email opens, or product purchases. It also includes lead scoring, web tracking, and A/B testing, allowing you to optimize your campaigns for better engagement. However, while Brevo does claim a 99% email deliverability rate, some users have reported inconsistent inbox placement, especially with Gmail and Yahoo inboxes. But of course, this is few and far between, and there's only a few reviews that reflect this. For businesses looking for a cost-effective way to send marketing emails and automate customer interactions, Brevo offers powerful tools at an affordable price. Now, Brevo isn't just an email marketing platform. It also offers SMS, WhatsApp messaging, and web push notifications, making it a true multi-channel marketing tool. This gives businesses more ways to engage with their audience, which is especially useful for e-commerce, service-based businesses, and local businesses looking to drive engagement beyond just email with SMS campaigns. You can send promotional texts, appointments, reminders, and transactional methods, all with high open rates. WhatsApp messaging also allows businesses to reach customers where they spend most of their time. And with WhatsApp's high engagement rate, this feature can be a powerful tool for personalized marketing. Web push notifications let you send alerts even when users aren't actively browsing your website, making them great for retargeting or flash sales that you're running. While these features are great for diversifying customer engagement, they do come with some limitations. Unlike dedicated SMS platforms like Twilio, Brevo's SMS pricing is usage-based, which means that costs can add up quickly, especially if you're running large-scale SMS campaigns. Also, WhatsApp marketing requires pre-approved templates, which can be restrictive for businesses that want a little bit more creative freedom. One of Brevo's biggest selling points is its built-in sales CRM, which is completely free to use. This is a huge advantage over other platforms like HubSpot, which charges hundreds per month just for similar features. Brevo's CRM is designed for small to medium-sized businesses looking for an easy way to track leads, manage deals, and automate follow-ups without switching between multiple platforms. Running a digital marketing agency means managing multiple leads at different stages of the sales process. Without a structured system, follow-ups can be missed, deals may end up actually crashing out, and potential clients can slip through the cracks. Relying on spreadsheets and manual reminders often leads to confusion, with some leads receiving too much attention while others that are just completely forgotten. Time that could be spent closing those deals is then wasted on tracking down contact details, updating statuses, and setting reminders. As the business grows, managing contacts becomes increasingly expensive, especially with CRMs that charge based on the number of stored contacts. With a deal pipeline in place, sales opportunities are visually organized, making it easy to see where each lead stands at a glance. If a deal has been struck in the proposal sent stage for too long, an automated follow-up email can be triggered, ensuring no opportunity is not taken advantage of. Task automation further streamlines this process by scheduling follow-ups and setting reminders, eliminating the need for manual tracking. Since the CRM includes unlimited contact storage, scaling the business doesn't come with additional costs, making it a more budget-friendly alternative to platforms that charge per contact. By implementing a structured CRM system, sales teams can work more efficiently, ensuring no lead is forgotten in the sales process. The result is a better organization, stronger client relationships, and a higher conversion rate, all while keeping costs predictable and and under control. One of the key features that you need to always pay attention to with platforms like these is customer service. Brevo has some really awesome customer service options, specifically with their live chat and customer communication tools, which are designed to help businesses connect with customers in real time. Whether it's answering questions, providing support, or closing deals, the Brevo conversation tool is available completely for free, offering unlimited chats, full conversation history, which is a huge plus compared to Intercom or Tito, which are other competitors in that specific space. A key feature here is chat automation. You can set up chatbots to respond based on visitor behavior, like time spent on a web page or specific actions that are being taken. This makes it easy to automate FAQs, lead capture, and follow-up sequences, reducing the need for manual responses. Another great feature is multi-channel integration, allowing you to manage email, chat, and WhatsApp conversations all from one place. But now that we've gone over all of its features, let's take a look at Brevo's pricing. If we take a look at their pricing plans, we can see that they have 4 popular options you can choose from. They have a free plan, a starter plan, a business plan, and their enterprise plan. As you can see, their free plan is completely, as the word states, free. You don't have to pay any money, and you don't even need a credit card to get started with this plan. If you want a little bit more access and more features, I would recommend checking out with something like the starter plan or the business plan. Also, if you want to save 10% on your overall order, definitely check out their yearly pricing options, which are going to save you quite a bit of money on your monthly payments, especially if you're planning on having this service for longer than 1 year. What I'd recommend going with is their most popular plan, which is their business plan. It comes with 5,000 emails a month, marketing automations, predictive sending using artificial intelligence, multi-user access, landing pages, A/B testing, advanced statistics, and even phone support. Once we have which plan we want to go with figured out, we simply hit the sign up button. Once you hit that sign up button, it will then take you to their checkout page. We'll simply enter in our email address and a quick password, and then hit create an account. Once you guys sign up, it will then take you through a setup wizard that will get you started with giving basic information. Things like your first name, your last name, your company name, and any other important details involved with the running of your business. We can actually answer these later though, and go right into Brevo's platform. As you can see, the first thing we'll do is choose one of their plans that they have, which as you can see are featured here. Once we choose which plan we're going to want to go with, we'll just continue with the free plan for now. We'll be taken inside of their platform. As you can see, they'll start with a little calendar here, and then they'll ask us to complete our profile. Once we have all that done, we'll head over to their campaigns tab. That'll be on the left hand side, and this is where we can start building out our emails to actually send to our prospects. I'll click on the email button here, which will then take me to creating my very first email campaign. I'll type in my email campaign name here, which can be anything. I'll just call this test. I'll hit the create campaign button, and just like that, we officially have our first campaign that we can start making edits to. I can manage the recipient, the sender, subject, design, and everything you can think of. We'll first add a subject line here, which can be just about anything. I'll just type in discount 24 hours left. And then the preview text, I'll just say that we are running a huge discount. Hit the save button, and this is actually what people are going to see inside their email box when you send this email. Kind of cool that you can see a preview of this, so that way you know exactly what people are going to see on the other end of this. Also, if you can't think of any ideas here, I would recommend using the artificial intelligence to come up with better ideas for this. Once we're done with the subject, we can go in to start designing the actual body of the email, and lucky for us, they give us templates that we can work with, so we don't have to start from scratch. We can add things like images, photos, simple videos, and anything you can think of that visually captures your audience's attention. Once we pick which of these templates we want to go with, we'll simply hit the use template button, and then it will take us into their email editor. This is super easy to use. It's completely drag and drop and user friendly, so if I want to add anything, I simply drag it inside of the email template. Once I drop it there, I can then type into it and start making edits to it simply by typing anything I'd like to type. I can change the font sizing, the font styles, and anything you can think of. I can also add images here to make things pop a little bit more. Once you're all done with here, you can hit the preview and test button to see what this would look like to somebody opening the email, or hit the save and quit button. Once you have all these good to go, you'll officially have your very first email campaign that you can schedule to go out to your recipients. There's also some other awesome tools like the automations that we talked about earlier. You can set up really complicated and highly specialized email automations to make sure you're never missing out on anybody who potentially might hit that purchase button. There's also the transactional tab here where you can see your transactions that you've done through the email marketing service, as well as of course your contacts page where you can import all of your email contacts or your email list. There's also the opportunity to book calls and meetings with this platform directly inside of the actual software, so you don't have to worry about having multiple different places to do everything. But that's pretty much it for Brevo. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys think about this email marketing software, and let me know if you've ever tried using it before. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos. And if if you want to get started with Brevo, make sure you use that link down in the description, as we offer a really great discount at checkout when you use the code SaaSReport, all capitals, no spaces. You'll get an even bigger discount on top of the plan that you end up choosing. Other than that though, I'll see you guys in the next video.